videos. This one is for help with graphing piecewise defined functions. When you have a piecewise defined function, it's a function that is broken up into two or more functions based on the x value of the function, based on intervals for the x. In this case, we have it broken into two different functions. Part of the function is defined as f of x equals negative x minus 4 when x is less than negative 3, and f of x equals negative 1 when x is between negative 3 and 5. So if we look at the first part here, we're looking at values of below negative 3, and that's negative x minus 4. And then the second part is when we are from negative 3 to 5, and then f of x is negative 1. And since both these are linear, we can graph these by finding a few values. So that's what we'll do, is we evaluate these functions. So we put in f of negative 3, we get negative 3, negative 1, negative 3, opposite of negative 3 is 3, minus 4, so we get negative 1. So we get negative 3, negative 1, so that's our 1 point here. We plot that point. Then we evaluate negative 8, we end up with negative 8, 4, and we can plot that point. Then once we get the points plotted, since it's linear, and again, this is going out from here this way, so we end up plotting that part of the function there. So that's the first part of the function. That's the top part of it here. Then we look at the next part. We evaluate it for, we just picked a couple points, 0, negative 1, and then 4, negative 1. So we get, those are the points we have, 0, negative 1, and 4, negative 1. And now this one, when we end up drawing the line, it's going to go from negative 3 to 5, but it's open on the ends because it's not equal to those values on our range right here. It's not equal to those. So we have our open circles there. It is continuous through here because it's defined at negative 3 with this one, but not with the other one. So that's how we can graph these piecewise defined functions. It's just broken up into the multiple different functions depending on the ranges here. So good luck with these, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye.